So it's turned to spring and summer, and you've just realised you've got a backyard, so you pull out your lawnmower, and what do you find? It needs some tender loving care. So the next question you ask yourself is, what do you do? How do I get this lawnmower up and running again? Well, I'll show you. So we've got the lawnmower out of the shed, and there's a few things we're going to have to do. We're going to have to give it a bit of a clean. We're going to have to change the oil. We're going to have to change the spark plugs. We're going to have to change the blades, and we're also going to have to change the air filter. So let's begin. What I like to do first is get in here and remove all this junk and debris that's left behind on top of the lawnmower. So the best way to do it is blow it off. Might even get in there with a brush as well. So next thing we want to do is change the oil. So let's do that. There's a few ways you can change the oil, but this is my favourite way. You can buy little kits like this from your local hardware store. It's an oil removal kit. And inside you'll have a little container for your waste oil. And you'll have a little syringe, and that'll go into there. Now what we'll do is we'll find our oil. We'll pull it out, and it's very dark, it's very black, so it's very dirty. All we do is we put this little tube into the oil, put the other end into our container, and we start pumping. And as you can see, the oil gets sucked out of there, and it's very dark. It needs changing badly.
A few moments later.
Before the storm hits, let's have a look at the air filter. If we open it up here, it doesn't look crash hot. Got a lot of gunk in there. So what we'll do is we'll take that away, and we will replace it with another one. Okay, so now we'll replace it and put that back on. Done. Now what we want to do is we want to do the spark plug. So find the spark plug, pull off the rubber boot, and now you'll see it. You can buy special tools. This is a special ratchet that you can use to get spark plugs out. They come in different sizes. This one here is 16 millimeters, and this one here is 21 millimeters. To work out which one, just see which one goes around the spark plug. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Once you break it, you should be able to just unscrew it. As we looked before, this one was in pretty bad condition, so we're going to replace it. Get your replacement spark plug, pull it out, match it up, make sure everything looks exactly the same distance, diameter, length. This one looks good. And now we can just put it back in, just gently. We don't want to put it in incorrectly and damage the thread. And there we are, it's going in nicely. And now we can tighten it up. Not too tight, just nice and firm. One thing I should always mention as well is tipping a lawnmower on one side can be disastrous. So usually you want to tip the lawnmower when it doesn't have any fuel or any oil in it. So let's get this off here. I like to do it one at a time. Now we'll put it back on the way it came on. Line everything up. Make sure that's on nice and tight. And that part's done. So one of the things is in the manual, it doesn't actually say how much oil to put in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit in and then we're going to let it sit. We've got a rough idea how much oil to put in with the amount of oil that came out of it. As you can see, that's not black. That's actually see-through red. And that's what clean, good-looking oil should look like. Okay, so there's two little dots on this dipstick. The oil should be between those two dots. And so far the oil seems to be between those two dots. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run it for a little bit and use it and then check it. And if it's gone down a little bit because the oil's been put into the motor, top it up with some more oil until the oil's in between those two dots again. We put on the boot, it should click in. I can hear it. Done. So lastly, we're going to fill up with some fresh fuel. So let's recap on what we did. We changed the air filter, we changed the spark plugs, we changed the blades, we changed the oil. And we gave it a bit of a clean as well. So that's basically how you do it. Now let's test it out.